Good morning, my dear students. In previous session, we learned about special case of three-phase double circuit line, especially hexagonal spacing. What is hexagonal spacing? All the bases, all the six bases are having same distance d. The distance between A to C is 2 3 times of d. The distance between A to A dash is 2d. A to B dash is root 3 times of d. If you substitute all the distance into basic formula, which is nothing but L is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 log dm by ds. What is a mutual GMD? What is the self GMD? Self GMD ds is equal to, in double circuit line, ds1, ds2, ds3 whole power 1 by 3. So in the similar manner, mutual GMD also we having DAB, DBC, DCA whole power 1 by 3. Substitute all the distances into basic formula. We get the answer. Inductance L is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 log 3 power 1 by 4 into D by 2 R dash T whole power 1 by 2 Henry per meter. So no problem. So this is a special case of three-phase double circuit. What is the difference between single circuit of three-phase line, double circuit of three-phase line? Single circuit having only three conductors, double circuit having every phase having two conductors. Every phase having two conductors. Now we discuss special case of three-phase double circuit line, which is nothing but flat vertical spacing. So the diagram of flat vertical spacing, please see the carefully. A, conductor A, conductor B, conductor C, A dash, B dash, C dash. The configuration of diagram. A, A dash belongs to phase A, B, B dash belongs to phase B, C, C dash belongs to phase C. Already we learned that one. So every phase having two conductors. So let the distance DAB. What is the DAB? The distance between conductor A to B, conductor B to C, conductor A dash B dash, conductor B dash C dash, means A to B, B to C, A dash B dash, B dash C dash, having the distance V. Let it. So the distance between A to C, the distance between A to C, the distance between conductor A to C, A dash, C dash. If the A to B is a V, B to C is a V. What happens? Conductor A to C, that becomes the distance 2 times of V. So in the similar manner, A dash to C dash also having the same distance, that is a 2V. Next, the distance between A C dash. So conductor A to C dash, B to B dash, C to A dash, C to A dash, having the distance X. Consider it. Next, the distance between B dash A, which is the B dash. This is the B dash A. This corner B dash A having the distance phi. The distance between A to A dash, which is the A. This is a A. This is a dash. A to A dash having the distance Z. If the distance of A to A dash is Z, what is the distance of C to C dash? C to C dash also having same distance, that is a Z. We know the basic formula of inductance. The basic formula of inductance L is equal 2 into 10 power minus 7 log dm by ds. From basic equation, L is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 log dm by ds. ds is the self GMD, dm is the mutual GMD. So self GMD having, what is the self GMD? ds is equal to ds1, ds2 ds3 whole power 1 by 3. Similar manner mutual GMD also DAB DBC DCA whole power 1 by 3. So in self GMD, what is the DS1? DS1 already we discussed. DS1 belongs to pace A, which pace A having four combinations. Uh, what are the four combination? D A to A, D A dash to A dash, D A to A dash, D A dash to A whole power 1 by 4. So that is the DS1. So similarly DS2, DS3. DS3 belongs to pace B, DS3 belongs to pace C. The similar manner mutual GMD DAB. What is the possible combination of DAB? DAB possible combination of a distance between conductor A to B. Tell me. DAB, D, A dash, B, D, B to A, D, B dash to A. All the four combinations of the mutual GMD having the four combination whole power 1 by 4. Similarly, DBC, DCA whole power 1 by 3. So please refer the mutual GMD formula. Substitute all the distances. If there is a DAA, what is the DAA? The distance between conductor A to A. What is the A to A is nothing but R dash. The distance between conductor A dash to A dash is nothing but R dash, which is nothing but self GMD of its own conductor. If you they having DAB, what is the distance between conductor A to B? Go to distance between conductor A to B. We assume that is a V. If there is a distance between conductor A to A dash, A to A dash, substitute that is Z. Substitute all these values into basic formula, which is nothing but 2 into 10 power minus 7 log dm by ds. Finally, we get the inductance L is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 1 log 2 power 1 by 6 into V by R dash whole power 1 by 2 5 by Z whole power 1 by 3 Henry per meter. So this is a special case of three-phase double circuit line we considering, which is the hexagonal spacing and also flat vertical spacing. So easy analysis. Once we considering or once we considering the distances, that is put into basic formula, we get the answer very easily if you consider the distances. So now we calculate the inductance of bundled conductors. Everyone know what is a bundle conductor. Already we discussed in introduction class. So what is a bundle conductors? Bundle conductors is nothing but is also a conductor which is used for very high voltage. Very high voltage is nothing but extra high voltages. So extra high voltage means the voltage up to or beyond 220 kV line we using bundle conductor. Why we go for bundle conductors? Normally if you using a single conductor, the single conductor causing the voltage gradient around the conductor is maximum. If the voltage gradient around the conductor is maximum, there is more chances of occurrence of losses. That is nothing but corona losses. Technical aspect. It's a very important. In modern EHV lines, the line is designed based on corona only. So the corona loss is very important for erection of line, transmission line. So this is a bundle conductors. So bundle conductor is a conductor having two or more subconductor. All are treated as a single phase conductors. So here there is a two conductors. So means this bundle conductor having two subconductors. The distance between two bundle conductors is D. Here they having three subconductors. The distance between bundle conductors is D. Here we having four subconductors. The distance between any two conductors is d, four subconductors. So one by one we derive inductance of bundle conductor. So any inductance formula, the basic formula is inductance L is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 log dm by ds, mutual GMD by self GMD. So every in previous case double circuit line having two conductors, automatically self GMD changes. So if the three having three conductors, definitely again the self GMD of conductor changes. If there is a four subconductors also, definitely the self GMD changes. If there is a single conductor, the self GMD is nothing but R dash. Everyone knows that one. So one by one, we calculate the inductance of bundle conductors. So GMR. So GMR stands for geometric mean radius or self GMD. Stands for geometric mean radius. GMR is calculated for each pace separately. Each of the pace may have different GMR values. GMR is nothing but self GMDs. Depend upon the conductor size and arrangement. Suppose we have two conductors for pace A, the GMR or self GMD is calculated below. One by one we calculated the self GMDs. So first, distance of conductor 1 with self is equal to R dash. Distance of conductor 1 with conductor 2 is equal to D. Distance of conductor 2 with self is R dash. Distance of conductor 2 with conductor 1 is D. Here there is a four combination. So we consider bundle conductor having two subconductors. So every two conductors, the self GMD, if two conductors having two selves, R dash and also R dash. And the distance between conductor 1 to 2, 2 to 1 is a D. So please see the diagram once. The if there is a two conductors. First conductor having self GMD or dash, all possible combination we writing, all possible. So first conductor having self GMD or dash, second conductor having self GMD or dash. The distance between conductor 1 to 2 is D. The distance between conductor 2 to 1 is again D. So what happens that self GMD? So the self GMD having, first write all the combinations, R dash into D, R dash into D, whole power 4. So the basic formula of bundle conductor is geometric mean of all possible geometric mean of all possible two square distance of the bundle include bundle conductors, including the distance from the subconductors to themselves. This is a basic formula. Once again I repeat, self GMD of bundle conductor is equal to geometric mean of all possible all possible two square distances of the bundle, including the distance from the subconductors to themselves. If there is a two conductors, two square distance. If there is a three conductors, three square distance. So if there is a two conductors, that is a two square, which is nothing but 4. So please simplify the formula. We get R dash D square root of, so 4 root of R dash D square. Simplified that one, R dash to D whole power 1 by 2. This is a self GMD of bundle conductor which having two conductors. Similarly, we can derive inductance of three subconductors. Three conductors. If the three conductors, distance of conductor A with self R dash, distance of conductor A with conductor B D, distance of conductor A with conductor C D, distance of conductor B with self R dash, distance of conductor B with conductor A D, distance of conductor B with conductor C is equal to distance of conductor C with self is R dash. How many self conductors? So they having three subconductors. Every subconductor having its own self, that is nothing but R dash, R dash, R dash. Distance of conductor C with conductor A DAC. Distance of conductor C with conductor B DBC. So write all the possible combination. What is the all the possible combination? So once please refer the diagram. So three conductors, all the possible, the conductor A, conductor B, conductor C. In between there is a distance D. Every conductor having the distance is, if suppose we considering this conductor, what are the possible combination? Tell me. Its conductor having its own self. Self is nothing but R dash. This conductor to this conductor distance is D. This conductor to this conductor distance is D. Totally three combination. Every conductor having three combination. So if you consider this conductor itself is R dash, this conductor to this conductor distance is D, this conductor to this conductor is D. So every conductor having three possibilities. Three possibilities. So please see that one. So R dash into D, R dash into D into D, R dash into D into D. So every conductor having three possibilities, R dash into D. We consider all the possibilities. So what is the basic formula for calculation of self GMD? Geometric mean of all possible three square distances. Here we putting 3 into 3 9. 3 square is nothing but 9. All possible three square distance of the bundle, including the distance from the subconductors to themselves. Once again I repeat, geometric mean of all possible three square distance of the bundle, including the distance from the conductors to themselves. So if you rearrange the formula, R dash into D square whole power 3 into 3 square. So if you reduce this formula, the self GMD of conductor becomes R dash into D square whole power 1 by 3. Similarly, if there is a 4 subconductors also, the self GMD is equal to 2 R dash into D cube whole power 1 by 4. 2 root 2 into R dash D cube whole power 1 by 4. So what is the R dash is the self. What is the D? The distance between one conductor to another conductor D. The bundle conductor having, we calculating the self GMD, but how to calculate the mutual GMD of bundle conductor? So the mutual GMD of bundle conductor is similar manner in previous case. So if there is a base A, base B, base C. So base A having two subconductors, base B having two subconductors, base C having two subconductors. How can you calculate the mutual GMD? Mutual GMD is the distance between two bases. So what is the distance between two bases DAB, DBC, DCA whole power 1 by 3 simply, just like as previous case. So the formula of mutual GMD is equal to dx dy dz whole power 1 by 3. So dx is nothing but d a to b distance, b to c distance, c to a distance. So if you consider a to b having 3 meters, b to c having 3 meters, what happens, tell me? So DAB distance is 3 meters, BBC distance is 3 meters. What about DAC distance? That is nothing but 6 meters. 3 into 3 into 6 whole power 1 by 3. We can easily calculate the mutual GMD. So compared to self GMD, we can easily calculate the mutual GMD of bundle conductors. So self GMD is some difficulties there. So that will solve by using the formula. Okay, thank you.